So my favorite memory and story of Massey College is a personal one. Massey's certainly a place of chance encounters. And one afternoon after lunch, I was playing in the junior fellow pool tournament with one of my friends and one of my colleagues. And usually I would walk through the quad as I was leaving the college, but for whatever reason, I decided to accompany him through the basement. And we were coming out through the lower library. And as we entered, we saw John Fraser there with Jean Chrétien. And Jean Chrétien waves us over, and he goes, Kwasi, Chris, have you ever met Mr. Chrétien before? And I was like, oh, yeah, of course. I used to cut his grass. Like, no, I've never met the former prime minister before. And it was wonderful. We sat down. We had a 15-minute story time with the prime minister. And you know, he told us all about the Shawinigan handshake, which I will never forget. And it was just an absolutely lovely memory that I will carry with me forever.